CSS and JavaScript to HTML. Just about all websites you'll use in the modern day will employ CSS to make them look cool, and JavaScript to power interactivity and functionality, such as video players, maps, games, and more. These are commonly applied to a web page using the link element and script element, respectively. The link element always goes inside the head of your document. This takes two attributes: rel, style sheet, which indicates that it is a document style sheet, and href, which contains a path to style sheet. The script element does not have to go in the head. In fact, it is often better to put it at the bottom of the document body, just before the closing body tag, to make sure that all the HTML content has been read by the browser before it tries to apply JavaScript to it. If JavaScript tries to access an element that doesn't yet exist, the browser will throw an error. The script element may look empty, like an empty element, but it's not, and so needs a closing tag. Instead of pointing to an external style sheet, you can also choose to put your script inside the script element. So, active learning, applying CSS and JavaScript to a page. To start this active learning, grab the copy. So I've already grabbed a copy of all these files and saved them. Then I'm going to open the file in my browser. So I'm going to go to Files and go to this one here. And this is linking both the CSS, which is green, and then this is the JavaScript in the red. And also the text editor, so here's what it looks like in here. So first I'm going to just refresh this. By the following, so let me do this. And open up files. Okay. Wait, I know what's going on. So I made a copy of this. So this is just without. So this is just plain HTML. Then when we go take this right here and apply it to the head of the page. So yeah, I just will do this right here. And since our file name right here, we're gonna edit this style.css, and then we're gonna save. And then when I refresh this page, it will have the CSS applied. And then what we're gonna do is add the script tag and paste this right before this closing body. Since our name is script.js. Save that. And then we're going to refresh this page. Script.js. We're going to refresh this page. Okay. So we also have an option of copying this here and going into. So if this, for whatever reason, doesn't work, then we can add it right here like that and save. And I don't know why this is not working. Okay, well, I'm going to go down to downloads here. this is how it should look. It's probably because I'm saving to an SD card on here. That's why. But anyways, then I click this. This is JavaScript. See, yeah. Click this, change the text. Alright, cool. Alright. This is pretty cool. The JavaScript has added an empty list to the page. Now, when you click here, it pop up the next one you're done. See? This was to go green. Some text to go bigger. Now, if you get stuck in this exercise and can't get the CSS to apply, try checking out our CSS and JavaScript HTML example page. So this sets that's that link to the CSS, and then here's the script for the JavaScript. Now, alright, setting up the primary language of the document. Finally, it's worth mentioning that you can, and really should, set the language of your page. This can be done adding the link attribute to the opening HTML, as seen in the meta example.html and shown below. This is useful in many ways. Your HTML document will be indexed more effectively by search engines if this language is set, allowing it to appear correctly in language-specific results. For example, it is useful to people with visual impairments using screen readers. For example, the word 6 exists in both French and English, but is pronounced differently. You can also set subsections of your document to be recognized as different languages. For example, we could set our Japanese language section to be recognized as Japanese, like this. Summary. That marks the end of our quick fire tour of the HTML head. There's a lot more you can do here, but an exhaustive tour would be boring, confusing at this stage, and we just wanted to give you an idea of the most common things you'll find in there for now. In the next article, we'll be looking at HTML text fundamentals.